Rotate label text in seaborn factorplot. I have a simple factorplot. The problem is that the X labels all run together, making them unreadable. How do you rotate the text so that the labels are readable?
You can rotate tick labels with the tick_params method on matplotlib axes objects. To provide a specific example,
I had a problem with the answer by at Wascorn, namely that fails, because this also requires the labels. A bit easier than the answer by a man is to just add.
This is still a matplotlib object. Try this. Any seaborn plot supported by facet grid won't work with, for example, catplot. However, barplot, countplot, etc. will work as they are not supported by facet grid. Below will work for them. Also, in case you have two graphs overlaid on top of each other, try set_stick labels on graph which supports it.